Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can sign in on your 4Fun Lite account. For that, simply you need to first install your 4Fun Lite application on your device. After that, you need to hit on the 4Fun Lite application. This will take you to the sign-in page of the 4Fun Lite account. For that, here it is the option given here that you can easily sign in on this account from the Facebook, Google, phone number or the Twitter. For now, you can simply tap on anyone as per your preferences. Now you need to enter the country's code here. After you have selected the country or region, you can go back and enter the phone number to sign in on your 4Fun Lite account. After you have entered the phone number and tap on login, you will be headed towards the enter verification code page where you need to swipe right to do verification. So once you have verified that, you will receive a verification code that has been sent to your mobile number. Once you have entered the OTP, you have already been verified. Now you have been headed to the create your profile page. So you can select the gender here and choose the language also. Now tap on OK. You can enter the username also or the impressive nickname that you want to keep. Once you have done, now tap on save. So the update has been successfully done here. So you have already been signing on the 4Fun Lite account. I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.